Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to jump right into the video today. Today we're going to be working on a 2015 Dodge Ram 1500. What you see here is the result of a careless driver crashing into a truck. It was a parked truck. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be removing these damaged body panels and replacing them with some new panels. Alright guys, check it out. The damage is pretty severe. They pretty much ruined the bumper, the upper bumper pad, the fender, the hood. The inner apron's got a little bit of damage. Completely ripped off the headlight. So the first thing we're gonna do is raise it up. I already got it up on a lift. We're gonna raise it up, remove that grill and the front bumper, and eventually get to the fender and inspect the damage underneath that fender. I already taped off the door so we could kind of prevent scratching up the door while we remove the fender.
Dark side, light this bitch up.
All right, guys, there it is. Turned out real nice. Got it all finished up. Only thing got left to do is put the splash shield and the flare. My buddy's gonna go ahead and get it painted. So my part is done, but I'll make sure I'll add a video to it being finished with paint. So body lines turned out really great. So there it is.